Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to start off by saying happy 2020. I am so excited to do my first 2020 video, although I did plan to do this video way ahead, but I did have a cold, so I had to kind of postpone it. My voice was gone, but I am so happy to be able to do this video now. And I will be doing a what I got for Christmas video and also like a luxury haul. So let's get started. The first one that I'm going to open up is my absolute favorite, and I've been waiting to open this up and I haven't been wearing it or posting any pictures of it or even opening it up because I want to make the experience as exciting as possible. So let's open it up together. So it comes in this cool Gucci bag, and it's like this cool holographic bag that they've been doing for Gucci, with all the California palm trees on it. So excited, and let's go ahead and open it up so you guys could see what it is. I'm going to put the camera down. All right, I hope you guys could see. So it comes in this little pouch, and if you guys already guessed it, yes, they are sunnies. Let's open it up. So the reason why they have the pouch over the sunglass case is probably because the case is just too fabulous. It's a suede case. It's so beautiful, so royal, so classy. Let's open it up, and voila. These are going to be my new 2020 sunnies. So in love with the case. Can we please first talk about the case before we get into the sunglasses? Although you guys already saw it, I'll take it out. But I'm so in love with that bluish gray. It's so royal, so cool. And of course they have the cleaning cloth here. Very nice. Okay, let's talk about the sunglasses and why I chose it. This was a gift from my husband, and I actually chose it with him, so it was really nice. It was something that I really, really wanted and was able to find, and I was like, I need to have them, and it's a perfect time. It's Christmas, so let's do the gifting. So this is what it looks like on me. I think I absolutely love it on my frame. It's just the right size. It's oversized, but not too oversized. If you guys know me, you guys know I was loving the whole super oversized look, but I did get over the whole too oversized look. So I did want something that was classy and something that was oversized but chic and modern, and I think this definitely has all of that in them. And let's just take a look at the details. And then as you guys could see, there's an opening here. I think what you could do is like put one of those cool necklaces that would hold the glasses. Maybe summertime, it would be really cool if you're at the beach, you don't want it to fall off. I think that's a very nice twist. It's so classy. Let's talk about the color contrast here with the beige and the black. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's what I think makes it so classy. It just kind of reminds me of these vintage vibes, and I'm all for it. It is just so fabulous, very classy, very modern, and you can wear it on an everyday basis. And it's a little thick. They're acetate glasses, so they're a little thick and slightly heavy, but not too heavy that you get tired. But they're just so gorgeous, and I love them on me. So excited to have these glasses for my 2020. I'll be wearing it a lot. You guys will probably see some pictures of these on me and how I will style them. But this next one that I'm going to show you guys are two pairs of shoes. This is a, I would say, bittersweet purchase, and it's something that I wanted to gift myself, and we went shopping with my husband, and we went to the last sale that Barney's was having for the closing. It's just so sad and so bittersweet that, you know, an era is literally one of the biggest, you know, fashion companies are closing down. It's really sad, but your girl couldn't say no to, you know, designer shoes and discounts. So you best believe I made sure to get 2 pairs for the price of 1, and I'm absolutely excited to share with you guys. So here's my very last Barney's purchase and Barney's bag that I'll probably ever have. So I might just keep this bag. I don't know. Could be a hoarder, but yeah, who cares? It's my very last Barney's. So, and I'm gonna take out the 2 boxes and you guys are going to see what it is. So there are these Gianvito Rossi shoes I got. 2 for 1, guys. 2 for 1. Couldn't be a bad deal. And if you guys know anything about me and shoes, and if you guys have watched my shoe collection, you guys will know that I absolutely love Gianvito Rossi shoes. They're absolutely gorgeous, stylish, and super comfortable shoes, and of course the quality is amazing on these. So they really go a long way, and they're not going to be the type of shoes that I'll probably throw in the closet and never wear. Also, if you haven't watched that video, please make sure you guys go and watch the video and let me know what you guys think. But anyways, let's move forward and let me show you guys the beautiful pairs of shoes that I got. So the first ones are these beautiful, gorgeous black and gold mules, and they have a beautiful, cute little heel there, kitten heels, and they're so comfortable, especially for me, just running around wearing it on a daily. These ones are absolutely comfortable. I don't know, there's something about the fit, it's amazing. And also these are handmade, hand designed, so it's really a special piece. And I love the patent leather here, and then the gold shine here. It's just so gorgeous. You could absolutely dress it up and then dress it down with some denim. I've already worn these for New Year. I just felt like this was the shoe that I wanted to start my year with. Gold and black, I mean, you can't go wrong. But yeah, I absolutely love these. These ones are the Lucy Mules. They absolutely have cute names for these, and they're just so comfortable. Honestly, guys, there's not much I could say about it. And let me show you guys the other pairs. These are the ultimate classy girly heels, and I'm so in love with the color because you can wear so much with this. And the heel for this one is definitely shorter than the other one, and it's a cute kitten heel. So cute. I love this part where it's just like a belt. It's just so gorgeous. It's amazing, and it really reminds me of Manolo Blahniks. But these ones I would definitely say are so comfortable. Yeah, I mean, there's really not much I could say about these. I will definitely wear these a lot. I already wore them for Christmas, and they were super comfortable and amazing. And with a low heel, you can really wear it a lot. So in love with them. And these ones are called the Ruby Mules. So cute. I mean, the names are even so classy and beautiful. So yeah, these are going to be probably one of the most girly heels that I have. I absolutely love Gianvito Rossi's work. I mean, it's amazing, it's comfortable, and amazing quality. Gonna keep repeating myself, so I'll stop there. So amazing, love these, and I'll show you guys how they look on in a clip right about now. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed that clip, and let's roll in to our last but not least unboxing. So there's something hiding behind me. Woo! You guys guessed it. It's this beautiful Chanel beauty box, and if you guys know, Chanel Beauty always comes in white and black, and the Chanel Fashion is always in black boxes. So this one, I did a beautiful announcement for and did a unboxing on my Instagram and on my other social medias. I'm also on TikTok, so go ahead and follow me. I'll link all of those links below. For this one, I did a beautiful unboxing, and I'll talk about that right now as well. So I'm having a beautiful giveaway, and I called it the holiday giveaway. I just wanted to say thank you for everyone that has been supporting me and this beautiful community that we have created on Marina Odin, and I'm just so happy. Also, I wanted to thank my new viewers and my new followers and subscribers. So I just wanted to do a little holiday giveaway. So if you have not entered the holiday giveaway yet, please go on my Instagram. That's I am Marina Odin, and I will link that somewhere on the screen or on the bottom. Please make sure you guys check it out, enter, and good luck, and I hope you guys win. And again, thank you guys so much. I will be probably doing more giveaways, but this is definitely one of my first ones, so I'm excited. I went ahead and purchased 2 of these beauty collections since this one was an exclusive. So I had to have one myself, and my husband wanted to gift me one, so I said, why not? Of course, couldn't say no. But yeah, let me go ahead and roll the clip of me unboxing it and kind of talking about the details for the giveaway and showing you guys detail by detail what will be in the giveaway. So excited, guys. The giveaway gift is here, and you guys are probably wondering why there's 2 boxes. I'm actually going to be opening one of them because I wanted one in my collection, and this is an exclusive collection. So let's go ahead and open it. I will open one, and then the other one that is for the giveaway, we will leave it closed and ready for some lucky girl or guy to open it up. And like I said, this is a exclusive. Took it out of this beautiful box. Let's take a look at this beautiful holiday red with glitter all around the zipper area. So beautiful. Let's open it up and see the goodies. This is the beautiful red lipstick, and this is in the number 99. Gorgeous. I'm definitely going to enjoy it, and I can't wait for the lucky winner to also enjoy it. And everything in this exclusive collection is absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful red. And this, I'm guessing, is the hand cream, which I've heard a lot about, and I'm excited to use. Beautiful, guys. So excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. So excited for the lucky winner for the giveaway. So go and comment down below on the giveaway post. Make sure you guys are following me and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and comment down below what your wishes are for the coming year of 2020, and wishing you guys all a happy new year and good luck. Love you guys, and thank you for your support. I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing. All right, so I'm going to be wrapping this video up and saying thank you to you guys once again. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, give me the thumbs up, and also do not forget to comment, because I love communicating with you guys. I cannot tell you guys how many people I've met so far on this platform and other platforms that we've been connecting on. So excited to meet more of you guys and chatting, and I absolutely love your guys' feedback. And please let me know down below what other ideas you guys have, what other videos you guys want me to do. I will be happy to look into it and maybe doing some of the videos as well. So thank you guys again, happy 2020, and see you guys soon. Bye-bye.